from and so te peponi na enen san kemi and so te mi to twa 7 p.m. and this party kema and so pay to me to twa ya mete one some and so tama e wo tumadi nso ene no pen na enu Saudi aye professionally enu game set to twa na openia ye fe Ronaldo the tima ye fe anasan bon se tatime makacha some performance no eni man koyin ene Ronaldo wa twaye pa was se oman ko for PS quality aye PS American wa wano enye nte obetime AS starting contract enye do beto so potuma entema tima ye fe anasan enti ene wa twaye pa ni kokwa pai enti ye ntwese ni ma enso epetime akọ nyame ye ntoma ochiran aye Wednesday na wacha Wednesday ni game se betime to twa na we aye PK makom ene aye to twa na enu aye chese Europa aye conference na se Europa League no ene betime to twa Manchester United womentima ye fe Arsenal ene tepe poni nyame ye ntoma wacha sai games no enso betime to twa ene se betrese wia ye date samo enso epetime da pro Ethiopia ye fe ethiopin fa toto so na yenti kamo na pepenso etimi kama na san story etimi pepato pe rate fatuo wenu fatuo awia ye pay wodwuma na enema nso atimi kama na meyenti kamo fonfo wenwe na me ye to champion game eba so na eyetima ye fe Manchester United na Manchester womus team na ye fe eyese to team no na omuso taponi kama na wacha sai kem enso timi antwa na enne start ni so team fe Manchester United against yetima ye fe Tottenham coach no ye fe anche Postecoglou na Postecoglou ene ni performance ni men koye kwa enso enfama no tese wo hwe sinema se kwa emoye de enso tema no na ene so ko Europa dia ne performance enye bad eye 14 games ya o ma po 14 games no enso Europa na ene Postecoglou o weni na Manchester ene tema ye fe no Manchester United o period fe no Ruby Amorim no once to weni aye na Manchester no na tema ye fe Tottenham anche Postecoglou owusu 2 games here waron so tima ye fe Manchester woman so Chelsea game kwa ena tima ye fe AC tima ye fe Liverpool tima say aye Tottenham woman e concede aye 27 goals ena tima ye fe so mu score woman share 27 goals ena Manchester United I share 35 goals ena tima fe Tottenham e concede 13 goals Manchester e concede 18 goals Europa ayente sese league no etjamia to champaya ebedwa aye final and that particular game no enso epetumi antwa anti Postecoglou against Openia ye fe European morim wa champaya ebedwa ene ye teun sempi enso betimi dia atwa na enema nso time kama bema yenko enimsa na fatoto so na yente komo emfafa na wei aye Ballon d'Or na nyame antuma on the 22nd September aye 2025 Paris and some Ballon d'Or and Tassero and yes I can talk about
yes
Ballon d'Or trophy and that face Poconosro Namia to about 20 aye 25 on the 22nd September and just award to the Beto Paris 80 award to him say mood to papa Inti one engineer sinaso Ousmane Dembele announcer a bunch of Lami Yamal announcer Robert Lewandowski Anna Hurricane yes Anna Rafinha enti afi we on the 22nd September na chese backward this award enso ede sinaso ya film Ballon d'Or team say yes wamo enso aye trophy kama fe nyasa nketo kwai emuntu etenaria sebetrese te won komo pe enso ebetimi atoni na enema enso atimi kama enti yenkwe na enema enso emfamye pe na ene dami tene sen ene tiba fe yes team no wamo e ma fe Netherland wamo ni omfoma kocha ye fe Aaron Tehak e kama sele pe no enso pe tiwa botuma enso tematima ye fe yes bobo kwaro na and the report to a say I buy Leverkusen and so interest our Penia yet airing I Hank said once to ever take over what may pursue Penia yet Zabi Alonso and Oko Manchester and even Koye Jack National Papa no when ma twa ye pa enti ayas e consider say any or person so pa na wa take over as a coach etema yes no ananso peko baye ni wakusi we ayam running campia and so petty match ye pegi and seventy not just the latest and update no and so tapel na anyone so time kama na yenkwe na pepenso enfa enwe pay e wa tubodi so anyansa ketaka na any hurricane penny Pachuma, Alike Massa, Bemai, Isimna Saman Fan, Tarantino, and then go king to a beer compare. And you gave me a tournament to beer piano, one sort to mention cooking, or Cotima, you have 5 minutes, now 24, 23, 24, one for a 32 games here, I say a 36 goals, or one energy cooking, and so this is also, and so German Bundesliga, I 23, 24, now 24, I 2024, this says, one for 31 games on, I said 26 goals, was unsorted, and any naso, 8 way a back to back, a golden putter, or Penny Fan King, and so Timiate, and Timotima, you fame by a minute, Timno, way a hard care, punting coast quality, one for the performance, and a super Tima, or Penny for Robert Lewandowski, and Fee Boya, Eco MC Bossa, and a Muka Faba Pai, and Swati Patima, you funny a Paya Minica, one quantity a German Bundesliga, and watching cookies, and Sunya Sinaso, once wrong come out, and I mean, you want to ever do it so, and Piasana, Photosway, and Saya Photosonian call, Nepe Penso Timia Kama, and a person, I know your body pay. Pa na ya kweden na abante ya fesewu kurasi na bonyansa ketaka was the performance kon kaye papa wotem say desesen and was say kan tematima ya fe Borussia Dortmund since a year 2022 abesi 2023 na uncho 103 games abono was 78 goals I have 40 assists. What him say yes, a puncher, ye fesewu, a you cross and a pay for my bema, and ye is anima kuyipa, and so temana, and yan saketa come and tell one salon, and so to jar, and what to swa, and yan saketa photo so, and answer Sanam fancy, not pay pencil 18 yakama, and yan saketa to the pay, until yasi, and tonight, and yes, a trasa. Yet details a mom and started fashion, yet and simply and submit in a bell, never pencil to me come and yan secretary Tuesday, 80 and Tuesday, one more Amupa market, one more metonima, near a more Amuba just Yankopo beer, and yan so energy, 18 Savobo to say, what no burden, Boba we are jar, and I'm a bomb pie goose to say, Woyancho, a two by massa, you are to move fine, send yan to be yate, now the honey, not be pencil to me come on, and so and from I will try so 80 Bugatti, Mr. Boachi Frederick Anya Transi, what the official and so pa, not be pencil at him, I come on, Bugatti, Bema Sabakodi,
boss, okay, Sena Dom, what you opa,
and Yamiasi. Official,
yes,
set Yamia Duma. Coming Sunday.
Yeah, coming Sunday.
Become Baby Go Stars against Asante Kotoko. Has for your nursing from your nursing from Papa.
Big game.
Nah, has for you now.
Big game.
Yeah, Baby Go Stars.
You
could tell much.
Madame Funny.
Yeah, down for normal. Only no money problem. Go Stars House of Folk supporters, no money problem. Unless the last one were back to back.
Yes.
Still, I don't support them. Bugayenti officer.
But ourselves some for prof now. Moten Kasano pay or them on some at the Ababatum Best Sports Station Liberty 92.7. First ever final for pay officer my Saka don't send Pino and so at the Ababa Chance in Komoka Kenwa. Outstanding game back course so our crack. University of Ghana Sports Center. No one else get to a grow Legondia. and no de na nko yo Lagos City traffic share kan ba kuma nations e ko share no e kan e 9 Kevin Ampofu about 2 goals at the nations Emmanuel about the third goal and after Sadiq Hassan only players ombo goals no at the nations after kodan ndi Robin Osman Sanon e te kan ba ko at the Lagos City say na table ni tio top 5 no nations di kan 57 points Bibiani Gold Stars etosumi no 56 points Heart of Lions etosumi 54 points Kumasi Asante Kotoko tosu 9 54 points Heart Fox tosu no 49 points we top 5 of Savannah na pai ya don 7 na no e dey be na tebe ni nkomo kakra and after the game coach Anieri Kasim or Kansemengo ya o coach nations as ni kasa pi sem no there and that team and the e dey Lagos City no mu ntimi nyina e jana no kra Yetie Kasim or Kansemengo after the game.
That's why we continue wasting the chances. But it's football. Once they score, whatever happened in the first half, we're talking about that. We go and work on the mistakes they did.
Well, we are some Kasim or Kansemengo after the game, no, or the Atu Dana Council course in the Indian commerce. They say league, una o top of the group, no, Obetima Soyambo, Aka just a league in Konaviano, not nations. Add the Ghana Premier League and Yente Kasim Kakra.
Upset. When we came in the second half, we changed the face of our game, and they could not stand the tempo, so we control and we take advantage of score our goals. They came, they want to, because on upset, we need to see the first half the way they were playing. But when we came in the second half, when we changed, we increased the tempo of the game. They couldn't match each other because it's 3 games to go. Each of the 4 top teams have 3 matches to play. So we don't need to add up all the 3 teams and no. Every match and the strategy you approach. So we are playing Samate's approach, different approach to it.
Well, we are some Kasim or Kansemengo to General Player me at here for and so aso Timatibiano na e course ni bon komo se eradia ombode bona was report that be Lagos City dia omuntimi ya mo ombode bono e go form ye take Kasim or Kansemengo.
When we came in the second half, we changed the face of our game and they could not stand the tempo. So they control and we take advantage and score our goals. They came, they want to, because on upset, you need to see the first half the way they were playing. But when we came in the second half, when we changed, we increased the tempo of the game. They couldn't.
Hey, everybody said all about for your team was we increase the tempo of the game. When you some Kasim or Kansemengo the 2 down pay Yama yatie for aso and so Timatibiano nachi and I play the dear Kevin Ampofu or about brace 2 goals. Nanwa after the game on so Yanni Bon Komaka you take Kevin Ampofu.
Your GDP there really need already, but football the or 90-minute game until that minute in the ball game. We did it, but out there you're going to. I think your coach more the shame on now. Yeah, then they do a pack.
Well, we are some Kevin Ampofu the John was here kind Edema the chase of Senior Komaka Konim say born a boy supporters in Tina after the game and supporters in Bon Commerce then I'm more catch nations from Obejiana. You take supporters reactions Kakra after the game no.
League when you are ready, it is a Kotomle, what is Owuah, a Kotomle. Yes, I have KOTOKO. The 2 dollars over the share. You're home. I started my 2. Hey, Bobo, you are way back. You know, league in the upper country, they are falla. Yeah, this is a Kotomle.
KOTOKO, ni Gold Stars, Mamu chase out of Lions.
Oh, KOTOKO, what was share Gold Stars? Am I? KOTOKO, what was share Gold Stars? Out of that, your body was shared. The club, your question. One name. The Greater Accra supporters as a chairman, yet to credit any of my players because of modern community. Then your point but this year, matches never name a part of this year, any board draw. Watch your winner, you're winning now. That's your dreams, that's your house of hope, that's your Lagos City. What are you
Mashe KOTOKO.
Well, we in summer and after the game, I call the supporters' reaction and a player me at here for Ason and so at Timadini Komaka Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. One technical director or Penny and Yadi Malik Jaber. No, Yanni Bon Komaka Crow says the team the more you day power was here. Now, you're Predo, Yente Malik Jaber.
How long it took us to come back again. So say, Uber trainer, Uber even a training almost go, matches almost, and that's what we want. So I'm happy. I was a league in the knockout, you know, that's the first division team, and we are not going to give them chance at all. I know they are one. But the league,
well, my young way and for intro to your son's course, and Malik Jabel Bon Commerce say, Kotoko job, no be a can say, Karim Zitone or taking charge as the head coach. Now, one hour taking gather at a day, and I walk Ediache Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko one supporters now.
He was my assistant. Juba who said, near my course, no problem. I will advise against that. Young man continue with the coaching now. Technical director, need technical advisor. What is the difference? I will support him because for a long time we've been together. There's no need for anything.
Well, we in summer Malik Jabba Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko technical director to Jana pay Yama Yatia for Aso and so at Materi Besu and Sunday Dawson and about 2 and 2 p.m. is a veteran of the 4 was my veteran of the external version no at me at Abramote Prof on Kasana pay or them running some about Betum MBT at the Water Frederick with my friend Bugatti.
Liberty FM. Adia yapa ne se woni namfofo ahia na yaka asem a esre na wontimi nsire bi saa asem ya bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bi a onhu nani so kra yi me the toothpaste ahodo a wo bia se nyia atwi mi se na mese entimi nya fita se de mepe no ko system adamfo bi a kire me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me duru wa na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa do hwere ba ko pentem mese na aye fita yi se metimi sere e wo ba bia mekobia obi bia nso wo medical condition bia amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and a green teeth no
Active Point Dental Clinic
e wo nim dia won betimi ama ose no asan ye fitaa biem wo san wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste teeth whitening pen and betimi dia mo wakofie na wakoto so use hwehwe Active Point
Dental Clinic
awo danyame omo be ultimate FM nchen ho a
Obuase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so Sunyane OA bus terminal Omni Cocoa House dinche animu Search se GPRTU market ho Shell filling station inside
and afre 03223 96802 and 0554571779 Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Brabofi, Mesa bra na onwe. Enra wo be pon school a wo ba mi hia no na no ne brofo. Are we hit asem ne say.
Wo de wo mfifi mu hima bi bia obeso hu. Eye Smart Effort College for that room.
Hey sir, Smart Effort College. Eno so the school be.
No kra eye school a omo kira de pa. Na omo de adusuafo e free crèche 1 year ekwapem class 4. Akadia ne niam bia omo de kira de no school yi wo bi. Achechefo no so abin ye pa. Yo omo akoda no ho adade a omo ne kira na omani swade hunu ne say basic school no on betra koda na de amoma miti Montessori standard
sentira enti na oba yaw na no ne brofo edesa no Brakofi school yi de ayema kono minya ya nka me ben su beko bio
tobo omo school fees so da fom pa
me dade nka se pa ye me ba panyin no se wasi so hwe no wantwa o na me ye ne den
wo haw no anu yi ane Smart Effort College omo ya wasi remedial classes
oh sir
ai omo sa ya vacation classes Emma SHS students
Matia sem de bo me nkyeremu yi
na de won biem ene say omo ya wasi programs ahodo ni nyina bi general arts business general science visual arts home science and afi technical and edi sam ne say sa wodo ba ekọ Smart Effort College a akra ne A's and the B's re there is assured e ho no o fa akra ne nko ema ne konya C's akopem F9 da
atia bisane asem na mpa
menu aba asem da ne say school you boarding hostel ema wasi candidates and a basic school for ni nyina omo sign worker e fa basic school for no every sawiyo so dwena sempa teva say nyina
mesra boame school yo no ma chiri kwan we hen
wo be hunu school yi mienu nyina wo sawiyo so sumakrom enkane ba bia na Grace Preparatory School no wona hwa wo betimi afre school mpainfo e wa homatrofo yi so 0245 191829 and 0531 3054 51.
Smart Effort College and just be smart.
And we will put in our effort.
Madra, Braha, Midam Pana, wouldn't trouble Briapeti Hassan. And I feel the old than had Rastana. One Munra was the Biaso Honto, Media, and Tempests and 20 in every demo.
Yeah, Mira, Miss Rafata, my wife, my Margaret, my sister, Antoine Crafty, what other every say, Messia Majunka, 3P garlic mixture, Mira, and no one in my last stop.
Now, said 3P garlic mixture, the Biamekan was central. No vote Tingy, as say they want a truth.
Mira, me say, minimum 3P garlic mixture, no, me feature Como Haunina, at 12 chakra.
P1 Natural Clinic, and the 3P garlic mixture, just 3P garlic mixture, a Bobre, one by Umuya, Ribia Frim, one of 3P garlic mixture, a Brahma Moja dear for Sunny would be pedrenum, and it says stroke, asthma, I am team, and monopause, Akumayare, Bojan Wuswatawe, Wanisu Tabri, was Sunny on a tired treaty, and a Yana Chichen, Honam Tayo Basabasa, but run 3P garlic mixture, 3P garlic mixture, and I make come for a mouth. Kaisa, 3P garlic mixture, Yanua, a garlic moon and Rua, Yatucha Yamfa, bien from a pure garlic extract, 3P garlic mixture, Food and Drugs Authority, Ashishema Jet, 3P garlic mixture, Ubenyabu Wakana for Nana, Jinase, Ubenyabu Philomena Fosia Drugstore, Esther Atta Drugstore, Brad Charles Drugstore, Mr. Boja Drugstore, Zawara Drugstore, Bia, Ubenyabu Wako, Madam Obakia Drugstore, Sankori, Apau Drugstore, Fred 0248 928824, and 020 100 0021, 3P garlic mixture, a fully organic. Yaribia's room.
I'ma look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny.
Sika Krasamaya Del Abraham and Fiman Raw Bank Limited Abba. What's the Subribio? There is a binary Fiman Raw Bank Limited in answer. So your savings account, go account, current account, business in hybrid account. Now, one high interest savings account and is yes, but that's the account. On your Siama more fixed deposit. The loan said it will without auto loan, a Pebusia Tokan, a Pesikaza, your BB personal loan, executive loan, Yabaya Dana Sikasuka, a careful loan. Moya Dane or microfilm loan in a plus account. I'm in Fiman Raw Bank Limited. What's the Siabina Jabusia? Why your money transfer? Who in Abisu? Apex Link money transfer. MTN mobile money ground. ATM service. Run East West service. No Caribbean the zero. I'm in Fiman Raw Bank Limited. Head office in was Sacro. A bon man summon. Asenke Guasama boy. Enche body. Sashibakwanye Jenasi. Takwame. Takwatam so pristine. Corner fame. Kumasa Santas. Abripa Jansen Swami. That's what pretty baby. And Yanika so 020-030060 and 020-030063. I'm in Raw Bank Limited. Your success, our pride.
Mira.
Yes, my dear.
And that dear. Kadia won't be a chrim.
Oh, na edibe pa na medisi ye wo.
Wo de bebesie me da.
Oh me.
Ademinim.
De medisi ye wan say, makoto Dawood 360 capsules. Ya manomo ama kane sisi ya na mintimi nyina me na so no. Eze metimi ya tie nyina. Nanso nei wo me say.
Wotumi gina wo na so chema mani je.
Oh, ne je sa fe de ekwaye pa.
Papa bi.
Ene efri na ekrai. Me ma Dawood 360 capsules. Empa me ho da. Ayem sisi mo asa ma me wife kura ni age na tumi se sabro so ma me na akoso ya wonim se ema eni mema nyina timi no mpio eje apemfo abatan eni obi a onyanya mfinhia dumiensa
na enye Dawood fo ya na ye Dawood ointment yi
wo mo na ye se nansan ya na wo complain waposo usisi eni ade yi ebi na me de twitwi ya wutisi ye yo se wo de Dawood ointment etwitwi na wo me 360 capsules ne ka ho dia oh na ye twi na memene
we de twi na
I twina memene what be piazo free say require mu enuom yenu enye na e wo pharmacies any chemical shops do do na mu wo de free 0244886437 and 020168717 agade nkra toyi FD agietum.
Hello Ghana for bills are coming home biamo bills set 2025 year and it does so homo bia what kwa oni ejuma ye enti fa when it bills na beji loan na wo betimi dia ye wa ejuma we ye loan don komi wo hia shio nye wo hia ne wo Ghana card e hwa na wo nsaka usika na se we obi a we ye wa ejuma wo pese wo tremu ana se we ejuma ni a wo jibosomi aketua and your bill se bre na beji loan na womfa bibia sia wowa collateral anase deposit wohia mu bia enti afetie bills se wo bia woni adwuma bia ye wobetumi abegye loan don kominu bi na se wotena fie na wanya sika no bi dia eye wow enti fra bills se sia e wo 0596 920 833 ana 0302 200 390 na wetumi achia wo bills Nemo, HSA Kakrawo. Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit in Shayase. Bills, financing your needs.
Malaria fever, typhoid fever, body and menstrual pain, cold and joints, loss of appetite, mono, say a kunua, wonam ya
Adia yapa ne se woni namfofo ahia na yaka asem a esre na wontimi nsire bi saa asem ya bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bi a onhu nani so kra yi me the toothpaste ahodo a wo wiase nya atwi mi se na mese entimi nya fita se de me pe no ko system adamfo bi a kire me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me duru ha na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa do hwere ba ko pentem mese na aye fitai se metimi sere e wo ba bi a mekobia obi bia nso wo medical condition bi a amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and a green teeth no
Active Point Dental Clinic
e wo hu nim dia won betia ma o se no asan ye fitaa biem wo mo san wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste teeth whitening pen and betimi dia mo wakofie na wakoto aso use hwehwe Active Point
Dental Clinic
awo danyame omo be ultimate FM nchen hwa
Obwase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so Sunwane OA bus terminal Omni Cocoa House dinche animu Search Jina se GPRTU market ho Shelf filling station inside
and afre 03223 96802 and 0554 571779 Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Jojo, wabua mi o. Kofi, manka ncho se mebu enya drama mo. Wo kan ye menua, enka ne na sisi yade a eha me no nya agrokra. Na sesei de, manya yaresa. Kofi, manya yaresa ena kakra bi a mema wo so adoto heba man capsules yi. Ani Jojo, manya yaresa mretiawa yi efrise, mahia owo so adoto heba man capsules. Menom owo so adoto heba man capsules na kakra bi. Me sisi yade a na eha me no, ni nyina akọ ampara. Owo so adoto heba man capsules ye sisi yade aduro. Enunti me kamfo owo adoto heba man capsules ama obiara owo sisi yade aduro yi enyema hemfo ema wo ma nofo ene mofra wo nimfie dumienu obehu owo adoto heba center ewo atwoma yabe wo kwada so kwantempo ne so wo po owo adoto heba man capsules dodo atua frɛ won wo 0242702662 ana 0545 355 796 FDA agi adwadi nkratwo yi
or stir it up. And I pay send ya many kind Emma Unyanity and I catch you says so we will be a NPP pens or J a mass lock fusika. She na sika or G and Fako. And yes, sir, Yababooding. And I pay Mensa Aka the original mass lock boss. Ya yenua bema azaya kwatin ewa ha na meneno eba bedi nkomo afa saasem we ehu sesia aban na friase eden dan amanfo a wo mkoje maslok fo sika wo mantua no ka se wate kra okwa Greater Accra region yesi Pentecost kra mpo no ede maslok fo ka e ka ne yesen a yesi 5100 na wo wan kwa nkwaje 5100 ebi akwaje 2000 ebi akwaje 1000 ewo se wutua menya wadwene se yaban sika na akwaje ye anu nti wo fa adi dabi sika no aban ekokọbọ obosia no de bre wo na won so wakwaje bie nti se wagibia ewo se wutua se na ebe ya ofoforo nso ensa ebeka bie na mene regional manager eba bedin komo yenhwe regional manager ono ankasa na vision and strategy yenhwe loan management and disbursement na senior niema esi eko ne penso nhyehyɛ no saying community engagement outreach ben na oba beko ana wafri ase ne yenhwe the impact of sika maslock the mankrofo no sustainability won some say be hwede nyina enne anopai opani wa azaya machi
yes sir boss
when I are boss we are regional boss we no from boss
ai say liberty so by nyene
yes
na program kakra kaida onso na aja oda no dia
fache na de share me kon fache
hey asemo
fache na de ma we de share me kon
all right onso your boss okay major so
in my own small way
big way pa
I'm saying my own small way.
Well, that is true.
But in your own big way.
Yeah, in my own big way, in your own small way. I think that. Yeah.
But I'll pay. What you say?
Nyame adom adwuma e boko from Maslow kaswe me the intro no na mani agye ho pa ahyase afrisoro enti na said the ahyase ho de na de tibia abeba down ti adwuma mboko just that ene mate said e bedi ehun komo no na wo tibia nyame se nka no kre wani nye na meka se John Dramani Mahama da so anyankopon de ma no ema odi sa title resetting keke de bae no menua say yan reset ba bia anya de se be.
So in resetting Maslow,
yes,
Western North region, vision is saying somebody had a whole region as a manager.
Well, menua me say da se bi na ya chia na na odi ne crew ja na na katechi babi obia no yenchia no ena anopay sanso ena me regional manager eye Eura Brintum babi obia no yenchia na anopa na RCC fu nyina metie NDC for the man betna ha yenso ye Ghana for nti yenchia NDC chairman eye yoso constituency executives nyina na metese na wona MC Jesse Edinkomo madam for pa very good friend of mine ononso baby will be ayenchia no na yenko bia west na menko chia bia west fu nyina menua my vision for becoming Maslow ye bota nyina na se ye beboa ankremkre na yaboa eye omo wo anisode hu no se ombe share eye business ase eno ene ye main focus na che say we will be why ready say wo business nimpo dada ana fei ena pesa wo hyase a wo ba ya so ye na ye bedi nkoma e bo modern e bo ti mi vision number 1 they say omo ni bi enyo omo bi dada. Let's make it clear because John Dramani Mahama so ba be reset and in resetting no the Kenya they say
Liberty FM
omo ni bi ena eye mi vision benya young guys bi omo ye wear drain omo ye pan omo ye your friend say hairdressing no ne ade be hu say nipa no enya sika kakra bi akọ bitimi atre na shim ba sika no we oba ya so ya ready enti be bota nyina na se me pesa me boa se be ya mabunu no ebenya bibi papa bi aye that is point number 1 and it is in line with the vision of Maslow and John Dramani Mahama enti bi na wo bisa na that is my vision coming into this big office as Maslow manager.
How do you intend achieving this plan?
All right. In achieving this plan, minim sanke beko ho, but mitimi eka the encompass mekana kebe boa me mama achieve.
Oh, no problem, carry on, sir.
I say in achieving this, we are doing it in line with NDC John Dramani Mahama research agenda. So therefore, I might have my own philosophies and others. I probably might not be in line with the MP4%. Yeah, no. Now saying it here, the John Dramani Mahama has to do with say, sika be a bear locate, cars be a bear locate, tricycles be a bear locate, sewing machines be a bear locate, hair dryers be a bear locate. Ye mom bodin say or more was a calm hold and the beko. And going forward, may Baba can't see be actually you'll be shocked. Na atiefo ne one kasa what the BECHEM say the ashase was no a regional base.
Okay.
Enti ye ha no ye nuru ha. But memao group names are under the NPP. Amoka kire say omode ama manfo. Sika no emae. And I will tell you for a fact, say, about 70% of the groups, according to Yabai Kakraya, do not exist our grounds. But on paper, they can be true.
Maintain your
about 70% of
the
groups.
More informal groups.
Sika.
Our Maslock,
yeah, about 70%.
Yes,
do not exist because.
So how come they were able to count to take the money?
And no idea. See, you drew western of na able but individual names are. And committee and command for be free via then. Abba. Uti pa conversation at the power very shocking. Command for be free via then. Abba. For example, my main shall see in free BBN. BBN, yeah, BBN. Hey, me pacho groups are ewo honi. Your groups Marco 21.
Ewo BBN.
Na group biano a comprise with Nipa Marco 25.
Okay.
And T Maslow.
Until with the 25 groups in ewo BBN no. Now you say 21 by 25.
Yes. Na Maslow kunso group bia 25,000. 250 million Osiris. Na no group bia wase munyamu leaders. Ye were chairman, ye were treasurer, and ye was secretary. Omo ye group leaders. But you would take conversation. And until ye decide 25,000 mamwa. So basically supposed to be 1,000. Do friends say yeah, yeah, the end a BECHEM, but let's say sana etie. And to send the 25 no. 3 leaders and a doorman. And the Jumana says a moko ye Jumana. Ya more a friend say passbooks. Na omabo mode ababi tuya nkakra. Na woni ya ma 25 sa 4 years no. Interest wo ho minia 3,000. Uti interest near 3,000. Then it's a per group bia no sika on be 28,000.
And no span for a year and I say
ideally it's supposed to be a year.
Okay.
Ideally it's supposed to be a year.
Okay.
Now tie sa 25 for the without interest no. Say fache betimi aboa with ne calculator and kaombo. Na ontimi ahwe sika ye de koma eye bibia ni for na mewie a be ma me time na mabobo group no. Drew yes, so I will come back here and mention the group leaders who will come and tell you, say, they are not aware of the groups. 70% of them. But me officer, you may I don't know. You call outreach, and so a call man for who could be so. Me, hey, you must catch them and come back my loan, be on BGG a document near the but loan may now one city. Say that here. To be any dear, see car, it could be any. And the NPP, Maslock. 428,804. What the quantity sikanima unse no na dodo na ya na amo enimpa. 4.2 billion 840. Sika ko yo Maslock. Ko share bibie ni say yemfa moa ankrankre. I mean
4.2 billion.
Yes.
Am I?
Groups no so mu hu omo. me pacho yenko eye meba be budi no na mpesa nka me do fa
metie
aha se hwiyoso baby a metie ye yoso fo muntie yoso groups no eye mako 23 na 23 no sika se hwiyoso sisi a me no kase welcome eye 845,623 or the quarter tisikadima 8.456,230 until they want to him no they fan say 8.4 billion and was if you also have yensa enka under Maslow
8 billion 456,000
yes
230
and a share a yoso me pa so yanko awon na me wia me bebo groups no nti se wa wuti no anye bia no me bo be 3 or 4 groups a mo de begigi sika no yanko awon constituency e ka mo de 518,556 where your documenta NPP for na hand over them ayo senior but so who take conversation there. This is not NDC manufactured your friend is a document because you buy a mobile model a year handing over at the my so they making a handing over a model my say and a one crop for her and we no now so what the court is kanima a 5.1 billion 856 tetisikano yanko bia east se yakase sankrofo we be ball mine ubiti echira oni ye nyadwen enya manyose na meye because na ye sebe NPP and a friend say NDC naba and let me state it emphatically say this idea about Maslow was instituted by the former president J. Kufuor. So what I say?
Me too.
Say yam fast so be say imra. Nti nyame o adona betena ha ya na nye politics because na woni me di nkomo say me Maslow boss. Me nim say NPP ni bi o ha say be ye ba be.
No, one.
Me pa cho yento aso. Bia East. Sika wo Bia East. Eye 443,108. O de quantity sika ni ma. Eye 4,431,080. You know, Bia East there, no. Me ankasa ba bia me free Bia West. That's my constituency. Bia West sika e wo ho. 391,288. What the quantity sika ni ma. 3.9 billion 288,000. Juaboso sika akwa kodi juaboso 452,140, which is also titisikano 4.5 billion 240. Intimia on and on and on and on, but my mensan found question na mensan ka bibinchiro bibiani hwe groups are ye de beji sikado ye free group be Peace Association amu ye nipa makmako 25 Peace Association me no ka say out of musika ye de ma omo na e was omo betua 28,000 no omo abomo de atua mu 9,900. Not just I know they exist still. The odi can tua bi ne dey exist. But are you following the argument? Yes, good. A more outstanding balance wo ho. 16,600. That's 166 million O cedis. Yeah. Your group here from Nyamia Kwan, 1 cedi kora ni ho. Your group here from one family, 1 cedi kora mon family. Group here from Christ the King, 1 cedi kora mai. Adum binti atua 4,000.
Meaning Adum binti existed.
And I wouldn't. Ebin mukra ho na yatua bi, but the group still doesn't exist. I'm telling you on authority.
So, can you mention that of Sehioso?
Okay, yanko Sehioso. Sehioso groups. Sehioso for muntie. Group edi kind. Ye from Inshran Kamboafo. Inshran Kamboafo 28,000. And also mutia. I was 25 plus the interest, which is 3,000, making 28. Omutia 4,680. Nti akomu 23,320. Your group bi to say moja bi akasa one city koromuntia. Your group bi to say nyame ede one city koromuntia. Your group bi to say glory group one city koromuntia. Your group bi to say enso nyame ye association. I'll push those documents to you.
Thank you.
Yes, me push the idea at the amount. Yeah, no, the emoji plus interest, the omotia and outstanding balance. Seriously, so mutia, more than mammy mubodini na enfa enchremu. Na individual group names, you know. See, you drew Western offer, who come and mention their names. If you have a call individual loans, because you're my individual loans, your car loans were your tricycle, and when you now ha. And yen come once because
Uncrofa Bajis.
Oh, yes,
and a woman met you.
A woman met you. Me so I'm a boy binum so no makasa on my bar. They have agreed
to pay.
I am more repayment friends agreement. Plan. Yes, I know more. Penny for power. Penny for power. And to the man boy you also did in ye so that I go to and easy. This is what you know I was enriched me Harry better me can be actually I was say mistakenly could I know me friend Harry said Nidin was part. Yes. Because with him the entire man cries I'm mistaken. I me and to them I'm in chip. When I look at him Benifona will be a dear woman. And there was somebody I think say Harry being Harry Tino. Nidino mean person me bodino because in your rusa. Nti make us send a message I must send it send my Harry.
Okay.
Now Harry said share. Maslock, Misuro hold that and check it again. Yes, I have a court. And Pampa me check him then you know. Harry Ninia a buy me every year, a friend say another repayment agreement. It is said the part of the Ebebo number so by a Mudino. Today, let me finish with the yours because yours on the OCC. And yours, Medica say, oh, in Sri Lanka, your sweet mother group, your one heart, your assigned group. Ye wo yo so ginyame dwena say God is good dwena say God is good number ye 1 and 2 ye wo dwena say metal workers peace and love say hwi asafo moja bia kasa nyame ede drink sellers association yo so drink ba all right plantain sellers association sanctuary group yo so major power association peace and love traders yo so glory group and so nyame association God our Father Adom Traders yoso Sikania Sem yoso Biakoye Group Inshira Association Liberty Traders Liberty for Muntie Sebudino registered that Momo Modea say Mobeheda Motuana Manyasa Edineba will come after you. Yes,
Liberty Traders.
Liberty Traders. Yes. Tis a more registered as will be able money to liberty because by yours the Yaka liberty a honey in a near day. Actually, your name is Banya Liberty FM. Yeah, a Liberty Traders. Ye wo Nyamena Mejefo Tiasi, Asamin so Adum Traders Association, Asheshi Traders, Amazing Grace, Another Peace and Love, Christon T and Adom Arakwa. Ti yoso ena makachire will say yeah your Jesus is power association so come home number 1 and number 2 nto mu total no ena ye 8.450 something billion old cities.
Na with the list that you have though, what I know I say Maslock for I say if say a association cry the leaders
yes
must come out with their telephone numbers and stuff.
We have everything.
You have the telephone
we have
numbers.
But
so
with
the list the crowd or what telephone numbers link it to.
Yes.
And you've called them.
Yes, yeah, Frebinom. Utimi Frubi. No, I catch us a me. Maslock, debut, me ma home put that. Minimpo. Na me de me kaise o mobile bejiji ID cards. And this time we won Yenkrofo. Going to 2020 elections. Omo catch a man for so be lines and na politics no be ya. Catch om say be boa man loans. The mon famo friend said voters ID and I say ye twetwe bi mukra passport. Ba be free ni pa no catch us say omo ka so be me loan ba me die. But how do you authenticate the nipa na eka no? You have to deal with a group leader. So what I say? Uti be free group leader bi. No aja tum say me sika ye be chair no table so yen so sika ye chair no table so. Bia West. Typical example. I can forward you an audio. Ewo Christian T Association in Bia West leader or secretary. Me boni din because what the baby call a friend Yausa. Yausa ye audio say I am passing me your mama 1,000 Ghana cedis so. Na sa group me inform me group bia. Sa 15 group 25 members are working. I just don't know them. Not just say Nkrofobi timi di din e hye a friend is a group bi. No more the leaders be atoto ho. No more the akwajiska. In fact, their numbers are here. Now when e bin so wo ha, utimi frɛ numbers no po enko the numbers do not even exist. I didn't know it's a bansa.
So how are you gonna retrieve sika we abu boss?
Very good. The tie bia na yebeji. I say
here we are the tie bia webeji.
But your credit officers.
E bi kra exist.
Your credit officers. So what I say? I assign you into making sure that these loans will be disbursed. Sabi aduwa here ye twena boss. Liberty FM. I am not too sure say bia ononko an a year whatever he did. That's what I say. There may be other people. I'm talking about handing over. Mira said you handing over man, I'm a very fine gentleman. He took time to educate me on certain things. But say yes, here is it in a gisani me we near Shemkrofobi and who are there. I think he's the right person to also help us because they mean.
Oh, okay. So you go back to the then manager.
Oh yeah, for sure. He will assist in identifying them because I say any but you say oh take conversation. Yes, because obiti on when you be. I'm say 8 years. Says he we are Bamankrofobia. Not another 8 years and so beba na 4 years and so beba. Na sabi fachete ono zo nya bia enye yana.
Sure.
She said the liberty ayi say sabi wo company bi na odo o ma ba na ya ma obia nti enye ye. Nti ade nti na wo say ekoba se yemfa ma one side not the other side. I'm not saying so whether NPP or NDC by the amankrofobia. Nti bo modern ana yensa anye den enka. Yenko individual loans. On some children say group loans and individuals. Individuals and they going forward and as part of your research agenda, no, you have to provide your business certificate, your location, guarantors and stuff. Because group you need guarantors. The only people we fall on are your group leaders, no. In the event of default, no, it is the leaders. And here we are. The leaders, some of them are even running away. They say, group now can cram. Yes, on my 1,000 cities. I agree. I was giving 1,000. But to say, my pending signature, say, man, I'm a group leader. And yes, sir. But a group leader now, yeah, the case. Whether you were misled or you were not misled, whoever supported you, no, will deal with them. Now, with him, NPP ya DB, and no, my name be Kasai, me money din, Swaman. Now, person ye tin. Unim, yeah, we don't operate and under NPP are operating from the district level. Into Ubeko district, we have district Maslock office. But they had their people la. Omulidi sa crusade. Timinisa fidie kwa echire. Ma me papa wuti this particular moment. Mpenimfo eboa he mamuji loans no. Yesremu bebre se de matua mo mu bia no ye ba mama yehu I called this man and he was saying say me dey me oha na omo frɛ me say omo dey sika bi ba na ekoshi asori dem mu na blah 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 blah. And I'm say na sabi so amanfo dodo nyina adenti na nko na odin ha say wo na wo lead omo. After my further interrogation and watch them say nyame had up to Friday he'll come to my office to support us with the group who have documented who have their files with some of them pictures. Yes, they have the pictures, but some of them are also trying to deny. But they can't say, yeah, the honey, individual loans. I would say, pending for a forensic audit. Forensic audit in area and individual names, including group leaders. Let me give you names of Madibajiji individual loans. Here were Lorenja Electricals.
So Lorenja.
Yeah.
Na ewo mpotem habe.
So wo so we eno de amfa anka.
Oh, no, only telephone contact.
Ambacho telephone contact.
No, have you ever tried?
Ambacho ono mpodi ene mpodi wo fere kra. It doesn't exist. She's a and this I've spoken to my boss. Sika shene nime wo so ba bitua. Ye ma no 248,000, which is 2.480 billion to Tisikano. And what you 2,100. I will give you this document. Inti Sika was so bitua ma buying. A year 245,900. Which is 2.450 something billion old cities on Famae. Ye were Aleskusi Mensa, a very stubborn. Tonumpo de me contact so my yeni didn't wanted guy. When I reached out to this particular guy, he told me, Masa, minimum pow, a masloka you may have on a car there 11,200. What the quantity scan which is 111,200,000. Yeah. Or catch them point blank on phone say where you buying sikao. Buying a demand. But when him arouse me woman say,
but can they be arrested?
Senior. What I may be a friend is a candidate in so. A bimunso I have from who serve them. Jomama say ye nyisikano, e yesika wa babeji. But of course, so they about din and I say, now one neka. Na say abano and so neka. So you can also go to court. And I mean, they make a one man dream. Unto them, I mean to us. To send the panel, I've contacted him. Liberty he has picked the call, but you so bold and so arrogant. Enough. I don't put the baby crana, but may try and say I'll get the go ahead to mention the individual names so that I can come the number crab to ya. Jenny Sika Wabejabosia. I say one day I bind the demano. The day I less kusi mensa. If company be express new page. Ye more 10,000. 10,000 na that's what untia one city. If you interest cry come. Feledan catering. Feledan the I'm saying can waf contacted them and they are making payment. As of the time ye take you over no. Now scared the man 11,200. Abomodi to 1,900 as of the time I take over. And you buy and so I think say 1,000 plus. Obetim pa so me catch real. Into the balance, a year 9,300. I was inside there. Eka. Also, we know I am not mentioning specific names. Me say after the forensic audit, invite me. You be bomudi, including the group leaders. Yentuaso. Ye were back a friend on Nadofel Enterprise, a very, very, very respectful woman. Omuman 11,200. But 2 man no aka 2,200.
Oh wow,
very decent. You buy a bomb model 5,000. Very, very decent and understandable woman. You Asana business and catering services. Asana so abo modern. A tuya mameno kasene de no aka 4,800. You buy a bomb modern a tuya 1,500. You ohima ya acha enterprise. a very respectable lady ɔno nso yɛbaeɛ no ɔbɔ mmɔden ameki payment wagye atom sɛ ɔde ka na ogu so a ɔyɛ dɛn otua when I don't know whether a direct name because we want to mention the enterprises so that we hide their identity because the TBA no will have to be with them. Gifty Catherine Enterprise on a man 5,600.
Gifty Catherine.
Wabom modern etia aye 934. Intinaka neka 4,600. Ye buy so sa services no abom modern etua aye 1,000. What shows agiatum so beden obetua. Enti yentwa so Rosina Boatin Enterprise ononso ye man 5,600 ononso di ne huni atua kakra ye buy nso no we have made contact with her agiatum ama ye ne omo payment plans mobo modern say ombetua ede amaye front runners nso ye man 56,560 oats
omo nyina ye institutions omo ha
there yan say anka ye hu ye nanka ebia say bibie ne a nanka bibie ne say ye say ya but of course we have made contact with some of them our magia head atum front runners so akane ka 4,666 will be a man of 560 million wotua manaka 4,000 you see how loyal some of them are and you see how wicked and arrogant some of them are and to them individual loans no I know so na a year 341,117
sikadodo
no the akam was a yensa den ekano no which is what the quantity is kama 3.400 and something billion. That is individual loans. To the kakreya mabobosui opa kambum na hwesika aban at the bar a ye western north says sebi yem famwa ankrankra. Nti se enebi echinebi nwusi yenuanom bi enyo mu nyina edaka manyame anya wadon abeka se wo de wa mobra ono mu ne wie school pa banyame anya adom abeka se wo de we told Ghanaians say said the name sikoi se mama yansi semwa enya de se beboa and we are happy say Ghana for me eden ya system minia yanko if there's any question so that
what can do now but me with the names mentioned and groups individuals and so on see me pe how you obefa so na wagye sika we nyina dia ma maslok se na be ya afoforo nso ebenye bi
me take over on the 2nd of April and officially me take over na so far there about more than recover close to be 70,000 yes
close to the total amount of
about almost getting to 50 billion OCDs
and I was 70,000
say within a month na airquay the TV and say your mama buy and chair but on opportunity out there mami man 40 years sebi o mo mojiji mu dia kaka bensem. This is reset Ghana agenda. A loan any demand. Of course, a bit more honor say it was not captured that. Send a document to be any so how do we trade the person for whatever? But we are talking about document babetu. So me Isaiah BTA. Kazu, Mr. How do you blame him for this? This is handing over documenta. Yeah, come once. And there was a bomb more than he trees you more. Medical catcher say bomb more than in young Crawford. More representative or every constituency, and we are going to fall on them. Maybe our sakasa wajiatum say obuang crofobia, and the moment you say wabuang crofobia in there, a quite how far so mono, you have to come and explain. Yemfe non tunching. Oko aye juaboso so. There's one guy on so wajiatum say yes, me buang crofobia, and a swama in swaya ajiatum. Say he also. Hana TNT empese ebekano then because of security matters. But the can say we have made contact with same na yemubi eni anye the kind of response a buyer. But I mean, I do not see we forensic audit near Bebu Dino. We will serve them with letters. They will go to court. This is a young woman, and young woman whoever led them assessing the loan also there. You can take it from me on this your platform. Say, you be born mudia mobile. And the binyang conclude there, but we end this in now you feel say, wabaya. We are not saying say mount sika. Say we are crem now so ba. We are not saying say mausika. But a busia na babeji. You see the mouse a fakwe ye juma na bra betua. Nti sika bi a wo babeji bia no. Ye hwe na wo ho so ayede be maw. Ba mbom you come and pay. Menya wadwen say nkwa na aye adwuma e de man DC. Yes, wo ye adwuma. Hwe ye agent a sebe no mo policy e ballot no ne ade. They did a very good job. But once you are coming to Maslock, sika na ye mfancho. It is our buying bank. And let me tell you, it is upon this decision that John Dramani Mahama, yes, will be a women development bank. The idea was to collapse Maslock because of the rot. Because at the end of the day, no, nipa who is oko bank no ko jiska. E ho de onse energy no ne ni tua no e different. But once one who say ni nua NDC ni na eye penny oda ho na onim se bia megia a ye nyina ya ban na chese that be enye sanity. You know answer na bia obebi sa me question I say Mr. Kaba obeto ama me but yenko eye parliamentary candidate.
Me parliamentary candidate so did
Charlie. Parliamentary candidate
within the region.
Within the region. Awe mu de omoje no in the form of hair dryers and machines I the mouth. Maybe bono constituency by constituency.
Okay.
I'm choosing my words carefully.
I understand.
Yes. Maybe bo be a D.
Yes.
Constituency. Yamia domna say forensic audit ne be wia yensuro mention your name. And ye need be monso aye den akasa.
It be constituency by constituency no.
Yes.
Wo mo anji sika.
Hey, sika na medical ya
kan. Na make say
candidate no me what I have here.
Wo mo anji sika.
Enye sika.
But wo mo je
items a
wet an amount.
An amount, yes. I was on betua. Once it passes through Maslock and there. Say
so let's start from your constituency.
Yeah, but that's it. Let's start from my own constituency. Eye Bia West. Now we know and yet 2024 elections the 2020 there. 2024 there beba. 2020 elections Bia West from Maslock. They call honey. Yema omo eye head dryers mako ye 90. Baku bia aye 390 cities.
Until 90, na say trend require to 270.
I made that say. Anti aye 27,900. One city koranye day. MI. That is Bia West. Into Bia no ye candidate to who Bia no.
2020.
Yes, 2020.
Candidate on the part of
NPP
party in government.
Yes, NPP for some near king.
But the other political parties.
Dabi. They are mad na you who cramp no.
So time na candidate back on a contest.
But me say candidate.
Oh, that may be a question.
Oh yeah.
So time na candidate back.
Oh yes.
Head here benya 2-3 candidates.
Exactly. Anti Bia West there no. Sika it was a Maslock yensaka. Na yetimi sign to another dryers in the machines near the man for
2020 elections. So 4 years, 5 years down the lane.
But you better say, and call it. Sikana mai. Yentuaso. But Yamisi and Kanokre, we've made contact, and the person has agreed. He said, "Obe Boama, inside Akasikano." Let me state it for a fact. Could be more higher contact or maybe Muzo or there, Muzo Munja. And
so 2020, Bia West, Womoje. Hair dryers and 90.
Yes, and they call it the comma candidate.
Then time. Untuai. Besine.
Yankwe. Ye kwa serious so here. Yes. Ye ma 140.
A day.
Hair dryers.
Mama dryers makumako 140.
140 according to Maslock. You see, Obia OTBA no. These documents are not documents from Yebubi to have manufactured it. This is what we have
2020.
2020.
Omoje makumako 140.
140.
Nana was about say.
Ambacho 390.
390.
So which is 43,400. 434 million.
2020 me I'm a big brother.
Maka say until the forensic.
No. Fine, if you are not mentioning names, I can mention names.
Fine,
because 2020 and you say candidates are what we say.
And
the constituency so on the
yes,
in the name of the member of parliament or the parliamentary candidate.
The candidate, yeah.
Yes.
Yanko eye BBN anwa so be kwai. BBN anwa so be kwai. Ye man 70. And also very good. And also eye 27,300. Very good. BBN anwa so be kwai. I made contact and it was bizarre. Yes.
Bizarre in what sense?
You see, Makase.
Because 2020 BBN and also be quiet. Candidate and for the MPP and our kind.
I say we 2020.
And I'm saying 2020 candidate or for the MPP.
Yes.
Was approaches.
I know the MDM say after the forensic audit, individual names will come. Now.
Yes. But say I
know when I walk.
Men America and then say Obia
very good.
You can say 2020.
Yeah.
Parliamentary candidate and also who also me I'm in your penny free.
I know they when I walk.
And I understand what's it get the parliamentary candidate.
Exactly.
On the ticket of the MPP.
Exactly. That's the
yes. It's 2020 parliamentary candidate and all for say who also constituency. On the ticket of the MPP.
So Obeboa there.
Me am in your penny free.
And so almost
what's the Obaji dryers Mako 140.
That is
what we are saying.
But the American will be no the one city about.
And then approaches and now will be being and also be quiet.
You see, medical
honorable Obeng.
Yeah. Me say medical actually say we are dealing with forensic audit to come out with individual names. So what I get it. Groups in there.
Yes, but you are talking of parliamentary candidates.
Parliamentary candidates.
Yes.
You supply or more and
the parliamentary candidates that you supply. Yes, I understand.
The 70. And also in yes. And swam Joaboso. Yeah, more 80.
80.
Yes.
Joaboso honorable Matakwe.
But we have made contact, and some of them are more reasons in what they went through. No, the police told me the mafia cried. So what I say. Obi how would make a say, hey, John, what did we say by na? Men who not just say, Grophobia day. A ball me, a friend is saying, Buga. Typical example, a body. I get it. Yes. So,
body Zuma almost
body pair the or body so in a 70.
70.
Yeah. That is will be explanation, but no, they can't use it as anything. So what I say. On the politics, so to the be a nasa. You know a womb and I'm not here to be old because John is animal way by na I get it. But you were mom for our peke on their behalf. I know Munyan answer ye Kasa. And
let me ask a question.
Sir, let's wait for the forensic.
I agree. You didn't come. Good. And as you are seated here mentioning names, you know,
mentioning groups,
you know, say
BECHEM portfolios, yeah.
Sure. Because Oka body, some of the body in the crap from what you said, now so making contact, but surprising.
About 70% of the candidates, I've made contact with them,
and I make say even surprising to them.
Some of them, yes.
Surprising to them.
I can confirm about 3 that they are saying, hey, nobody will say, campaigner, men who say, obey to make a choice, say, hey, I didn't know what buy and your man gas into you. The Banesena, I'm what friends away bill, nay, some document he cried. because ebi anono so fee say I'm not defending them. Yes, I hope you understand me because with him say na buy na heading aba and ebi omode heading eboa no. But here we are, and that's what we are saying. Say yeah, resetting. It is any panel might play some kind of whatever, but I was saying so. You tear say na you twice so you then a investigation to say the yakase forensic auditor. We have made contact with them. Some of them have agreed. Some are saying they are not even aware. Say sad and cry then a buy. It means to say yes, yes, I can. But man can't say day. You betray. And see my mom more than whatever. And let me state it. This document, my forwarded their mom chairman.
Before you continue, Mamemfa Egratowe Intrim. Na memra sisia na nia wo kan de ani esoso
yes
me ba sisia
Mira, se say de min sumi bi afai de ameme e dan ba kwa ye behan ye na say se say de min sumi bi yo be ye bia enya fiewura yi fe
ba ye pa wo pampam no na din sha na ye hye na se fiewura anya wo se ya e ma wo tirim se wo besi dan na fiewura bi tete wa comfort ata 68 enterprise na se ma fia ba store se obema onwoma wo de besi wo fie na wo so wonya ba bi de utiato na mpanifo se wonya ba bi de utito na brabo na no comfort ata 68 enterprise anase mafia basto to adanse hu nyoma ni nyina bi ahyase ko se awie it say cement iron rods wheelbarrow pickers shovel hammer carpenter for so yanyi mu ma your foreign plywood a wo betimi de your kitchen cabinet wardrobe any what design plywood a wo betimi de your ceiling na fese na so bo pop ni wia plywood e be ma wo ade show tv na chi ebi ho stickers design bi leather and material papa ye de yankonya asande yampa leather ye de leather pragia enkonya ene car so de blue ye 99 and a top band carpenter for some mutusu ni nyina bi wo ho ene de mo de ye adwuma yesa wo paint na hodo ni nyina bi be say home paint DTM paint flamingo oil paint and a local paint foreign paint so wo ho no so color wo pe no me amese de ma wona spray car so ye de mo paint ni bi aba ye wo super shine hardener clear ene de keka ho wutimi display fu na kanyi na so wo se wo de ni wia ya ma won chance papa wo de border no so mosquito net black and blue wire mesh padlock alarm de and a high security na sa da ofia woni a comfort kwanta mobile comfort at 68 enterprise anasa mafia basto ama masimi fie na asidanka mi fiewura wotete me sakanyo no ankama enchira nkorhwe comfort at 68 enterprise anasa mafia basto e wasa hwedwina se na dick filling station wa fe manager na na pia e wasa homatrufo we so 0541087624 afiwe mafia basto nti tenant bia besini fie
nipa ye metsochine Mira, na we did awie.
Ani, mama pa.
Oh, the kakraka home me do wiase. What do you wait you know? Oh, be any hobby.
Hey, ejimi na mini na unim madam for ba me check kakra do the excuse me kakra why?
Yes, my love.
Hey, dey na asie. Enye wife free na. Usisi yare ene kokko nti. Wo amfa wo nya hwe no. Ani o, misisi yare nti. Na mama be ade so akra ma no. Na wo ka se wo kire me otwa herbal powder. Sa me nom no. Otwa herbal powder. Enum na aboa me yi misisi yare ni nyina free ho no mo a. Ti se mitimi koto sori a. Ma fire wo ba no wo bo memrane sa no afed wo sa mrane otwia wonga sa beba otwia ba powder he eba sisiyare no sa no dia eyadwuma pa enkanso apemfo abata wo ma manufo ene nkwada wo nimfie dumienu de won ka ho wo padudu otwia divine hope herbal scent swami kumase frɛ won 059-156-5557 ana 0551-228-281 ena abenya bi so pharmacy herbal and over the counter medicine shops.
And after so benya bi o Matt Herba opposite MTN office Jonase Esther Ata Pharmacy at Shell Filling Station Juana Asamoah Asarienso Philomena Fosua Herba and Pharmacy Buanak Herba Bekwai
Otria Herba powder me say wan kasa beba FDA aje dwodie nkratu yatum. Omandishe esendo kwampa ye fa susumi en customers nti apa manfi ura bank abaye bank ya dudu no age atumu abefo kwanya ye de mani sika ni nyina ye obi wa express automated clearing house mobile money transfer apex link I transfer and a western union ye branch se didi suwe ye wa electronic banking so ɛyɛ 24/7 ATM services baabi ani sɛ hwebɛkwae sɛ hwedwuna ase asankragua ɛna dunkɔ no fe yi switch bankers draft ɛna SMS alert ya ɛma ho deɛ kɔ so wɔ account mu no ɛno nso ka ho apa manfi wura bank deɛ yɛnsɛm o yɛwɔ easy loan products ɛma aban dwumayɛfoɔ nyinaa na less than 3 hours na wo sa kan loan dadadadada ɛba no third party ɛne comprehensive insurance nso a bra apa manfi wura bank yɛwɔ 17 branches and more asankragua aguna manfi sɛ hwedwuna ase sɛ hweyɔso sɛ hwebɛkwae sɛ hwakɔntɔmmra dunkɔ no fe dia so baabi ani soama dadeɛ so dwokɔ aheman dɛnkyira so bin wɔsadwa abo agya ka ama nso sɛ hwensawura awa so ɛna foforɔ koraa ɛso aba sɛ hwe asɛmpa na yɛ ɛnneɛma di dwa na mfa so bum ɛmmra wo sika so yɛn head office ɛwɔ wasankwaa so frɛ yɛn 0243 116 966 anaa 0244 948 600 afei 0549 040 570 apa manfi rural bank yɛni mu fretete apa manfi rural bank yɛso mo daa
yɛsi yɛ ba deɛ banki biara nka dɛ
meba junior mengro ma bra wo ho pɛ
na wani na agye a wogye wo ba grosa no
na ade a wonyame nam dɔta mu a ɔwɔ personality natural health care so ayɛ ɛno na de bɛni gye sɛ yi o
peske awɔ ho nsɛm deɛ ɔte ne tɛ sɛ wo kasa mu abuo wo prostate ayɛ kɛse ama onya dwonso mu amanehunu anaa mpa so mmerɛ yo
sɛ yɛ stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yadeɛ afikyi kroma amanehunu ɛnam yade hodoɔ ɛne yadeɛ bia wɔ
ne sɛ hɔ a na mede oluman ɛne oledi kɔ check up ɔwɔ mfidie paa meye na adoma kyerɛkuo anie na nsɛm mi dɔbodɔbo no wohu ne sɛn
agrɔhene
ɔba a wopɛ sɛ wo hips anaasɛ wo to ɛyɛ akɛseɛ yɛyɛ wo adwuma saa nso ɛnɛ sɛ stretch marks agye wo wede abɔ so a ɛno nso yɛyi firi hɔ barima a wo bɛrima sua na apɛ sɛ wopagya mu no bra yɛbɛpagya mu ama wobɛhu pɛskɛ ɛwɔ Accra La Paz Nyamekyɛ Junction yɛwɔ Crown Prince School no akyi hɔ a Kumasi G runabout Medila Bachi Wape Baby any a there's a human bank woman Sario so and Pumam Yene Church of Pentecost any din Shanimu Takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyai Ufri Kumasi Koko House Rex Yene Total Filling Station in the din Shanimu
Fre Peske 055 773 8555
Peske
Quality hair
Within no sir
ene wan kwa adwuma enti akwada ne hwe na bɛda wo so sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a woyɛ bɛtuma kwa adwuma afi wohu sɛ wonnim sɛ na wobɛsesa wo ba no diaper enti woyɛ video call de frɛ wo yere sɛ ɔmmoa wo
hello medo bibia yɛ bɔkɔ ana
meyia wo mu ahoɔfɛ abɛku diaper no mɛyɛ de asesa no
ne yɛdi kan for diaper ne to
video call yi etwitwe sisi wo twɛn na video call na san ba no wo ba no dwonso ma ne fa wiem kura ma ne for diaper no wo kopɛ diaper foforo no wo yere san ba video call no so biom
kojo ade na wugya akwala ne nko ato wampa na so
na o se me kopɛ diaper foforo diam biom na e o se me ye intentem why
be diaper nanim ɛhɔnom ɛna fla
internet Efrihi
Sabri dear, wahunu baby ankomo ye ne kire. Ma yan connect wo ne hunu sɛ deɛ ultra fast internet bitmi aboj mama wo fie. Wabra MTN fiber broadband e bochidom. We free internet masters nankasa eho.
MTN everywhere you go.
FPAC ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edikata ho yaw. FPAC tutu yawa efri minimu kura abrofo frɛ no sore throat no. FPAC jojo honam mu yaw nso. Na se wo ye adwumaden so na wo tutu wo a FPAC ma wo ho dwo wo fom Sara na wono a epe sports akansi ahoro ne mirikatu nso no se wo ho namdua no ye wo ya FPAC wurawura wapo mu koma yaw no eye dini FPAC kutia feverishness FPAC jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no saa nso na FPAC ekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebosa no FPAC so ma wo ho sepew ubenya FPAC wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia
FPAC yebusua duro ma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire asma ne osa yarefo apemfo ene ma wo ma manufo de ensese wo fa FPAC se wo fa FPAC nanu na wo ho anto a ko hu doctor
FPAC blows your pain away.
Kwame hyehyɛ ne multi-bet o gidi sɛ ebe farm ne nanfofo ni ne chitafo nyina
or the Betway for Bet Influencer. A bet one the fufra. A brought chichen the code no. Etimi mani nyesika. Course dudu o chichen no ne chiresika dudu obenya. Obia betimi a Bet Influencer. We a the fufro kra edi kan e wo wiase afane nyina free Betway. Kai sen chichen kakra wo ho. Gaming Commission of Ghana Sashase. Woni fie no wo twe a enko ho. Bet ni wonyansem.
Hey, wifey, lesson we active say. Ede kane wo be he no amwa de nam oh.
Jeremy Razabren. Na minya araba bazen pills. Edru ma fichi cross wa nyo. Etimi ka me say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no he emaye. Eto da ba etimi basi boom boom boom. Ebi nso wo ha. Minya tenka bia krasa me no be hia.
Bode ne ha mi o.
Oh, araba bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne moja di me mu afru sane ye. Me moja so ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na araba bazen pills aswemu emei hunchu capsules so asweye ne mema no pa ma se de no odwonso 10 no wanya hoto de no odwonso anemu ya ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wo hawo nyina afie ne mema so
mira na wo kai last time enka wo ya se wo ho obazi mu no
asemu akoboso we se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be funa ne se oh me hu se basa de ba bi nsukura ma dwonso via me fisi ma wie no na se kakra kem
wow
oh se hunchu capsules you hawo nyina firi hokura
Araba bazen pills ani hunchu capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop BM
wo se hwele no potem ha obenya bi wo Candice License Chemical Store wo se hwele oso wo fa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se Ernestina Herbal e wo se hwebe kwai Junior Saman ani Prince Moses Pharmacy wa Sciences SKDA e wo se hwedwa boso obetuma afre Kulun Ghana Limited e wo 05049 06665 0545 906665.
Sir empanyi kasa numsuo twen opa na enye nsuo bia kekeo na mom ensuo a ebema wo atumi agina opa ano Density Natural Mineral Water ne sachet ene dispenser bottle ye nsuo a ya hyeda aye ede ekumu wo nsukom Density Natural Mineral Water pebinom water anio yanum ensuo dikum yensukom nom Density Natural Mineral Water biaya ye ensuo no tiye pa yewo 500 milliliter sachet ena 19.5 liter dispenser bottles ma afiafie ne offices hwehwe yechi kwan wo number 27 New Ridge a ewo tanoso kwantempo so hwa fre 0596604743 ana 0208466256 na koto bi ye wayefro ayiye ene badwam nhyiamudie Density Natural Mineral Water insu papa nie FDA aje adwadie enkrato yi atum.
For bills are canning who be mo bills set 2025 idea and it does so homo bia what you walk only ejumaye ain't if I when it bills na beji loan na ubeti media ya wow ejuma way ye loan don't come me won ya shio nye wu hia ne Ghana card ehwa na won saka usika na se we obi a we ya wow ejuma upese wutremu anase we ejuma ni a wo jibosomi aketua and your bill se bre na beji loan na wonfa BBS awuah collateral anase deposit wo mu bia enti afetie bills se will be a woni adwuma bia ye wo betumi abeji loan don kominu bi na se wotna fie na wanya sika no bi dia eye wow enti fra bills se sia e was 0596920833 ana 0302200390 na wetumi atua wo bills Nemo HSA Kakrawo Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit HSA Bills financing your needs.
Liberty FM.
I wanna show all of my haters love. This song's for you. If you had it like me and I was in your shoes, I'd probably hate on me too. See, when you're getting big cash stacks, all the haters hate that, cause they hate to see you be successful. I wanna show all of my haters love. So I'm waving you like good morning, hey, 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 good morning, hey.
All right, his name is Kabilone. Singing good morning. Na anapei mene Azaya Kwatin and ewo fia ha yedi nkomo. We are discussing Maslock. Na ensema APP no but there is something I don't understand. So if as a party NPP, then party in government, na mutumi hand over such notes at the incoming party in government. Well, but mamen kwa Azaya with the names, okay, mamen fan say constituencies our parliamentary candidates. Womo ebeje eniema. I want to know from you. Say eniema parliamentary candidates nankasa ena eba wo ho. Ana womo ekọ ehonum ekokogije ye. Ana say ebibo na ekokogije on their behalf. Ana say what is it, Uncle?
You see, I won't say a drew more the other son. Me chiremo, na me say choose me way carefully. Yes. Once you be crying, me chiremo say be correct to me. I say, hey, I did be say by a cry, me cry man day. Men who be correct to me. I say, oh, yeah, I mean, who saw more the BB say by, but man can say,
it's not just with these people now. What can say, boo, how now you know tantano.
Yeah.
Near who and they fine. What we say,
exactly.
So it can even happen. Say, ebia obi
mo.
And a kokoji
yes,
and a party ajuma.
It could happen.
Obengu say a party ajuma na woman
exactly.
And obi nsu wa onim
onso obi nsu mpo hompa na bia woni pi woni mpanim for on timi nya kwan say me na me kwa kofa ne ma bi sei
ejebi obe assign ni PA
yeah obra for instance ayeke you see it to be very unthinkable say bia no ankasa kwa kofa ne ma bi sei but somebody might have done it on his behalf. I get it.
What contacted no?
In fact, my contact the number we have. I get it.
What is the number?
Me the mama. Catch us after the a friend is a forensic audit no. Individual names and kasa say we free we say no. Emma. I get it. You share conversation
because for several or so 2020.
Me say no na woka.
Oh yeah, I'm being honest.
Yes, that is
and I understand say anya wo na woka.
Mama land wo.
Me jitum say anya wo na woka. Me na meka.
Sure.
And everyone otie say CIB enim say 2020 NPP parliamentary candidate. Aye Dr. Kwakwa Free. If say Niamey Mr. Cowell also attest to Rita.
Yes, all right.
Yes. And see, Dr. Kwakwa Free.
Uti.
Conversation. But my instituting Niama. Send ya beya obi enko jina baby emetna ana onko tena baby nko kase wo wababetna kase.
Exactly.
Dr. Kwakwa Free ayese. You haven't said that. But wo wasema okay because we choose words carefully.
Exactly.
And with the words that you chose no. And until I me kase 2020 parliamentary candidate for Sevier so NPP. Because I mentioned the name Honorable Matakwaye for Dwaboso.
Yeah.
2020 was Honorable Matakwaye. And then Akando defeated her. But with the Niemana Ombejiji, you know, and only the parliamentary candidate, Honorable Matakwaye. With Sevier also, meaning say I'm big brother, Dr. Kwakwa Free. But as to say or no, and a bar ho, a bebeje niemano, and I say obi and obeje on his behalf. I don't know a unknown for now. And until maybe I will say,
I'll push you the contact. That's what I say. On the make can be an amacacho say, Yen.
And until we as a what
40 a young commoner air the macacho say, Binmo. I've made contact with them.
Okay.
And I just don't want to be specific. I called A, I called B. Because Yami and Yawa Doma, but freeway, I didn't know freeway.
Yes.
So what I say? Yes. Oh, because we say ways M1. So I want to generalize say, until I make more details 140 koha, 70 koha, 80 koha, 90 koha. After the forensic audit, there could be additions and even subtractions. We are dealing with the document we have. Pakacho say, when I made contact, some are saying, on your way, Mpuse BBC, they call. Obinsu say, yes, media buy you, but in fact, say, you see, ye betua ne de kase I am one. I get it. So therefore, yenso ya base ye boa amanfo. I am de the obeji atum. I am de you no so nim say ade no emae enti me de age atum. Though you are talking about your friend say facts and figures here. So what I say. Enti mesro say anka don't let us go deep. I'm giving you my word. Say after the forensic audit, group leaders, I have them there. You can come to my office.
I haven't spoken about them.
Until after the forensic audit, group leaders or modano, calf, the economian famayo, cars, yes, master maka, yes. I'm telling you.
Uncle for Beji,
Beji, Muntia, a bit more triabi, a bit muntia, a bit tria one city. We made contact with some of them after the forensic. Yes, they say, I buy on Yamia is about attacking you. Me feel you for a manfa document to be any ama. I get it. Yes, you were cars and tricycles. A tifu etino. Yeah, the aboboya be by now actually Maslock. Yes, the one who be Debiano. They took them. They didn't pay. You better say to aboboya be my dear command for. Yes, we gave out cars. But me say after the forensic audit, cars,
they are showing Maslow.
Yeah, it be Ohio.
I remember. It be a buses.
Yes, it be a buses. It be a bus. It be a salon car.
It be a salon car. Make hyper.
And it be muso bejia. On person be hunting tentem no be utimi. Esisa. But say on na they are they.
Yes.
It be muso wa. Yetimi nya Intel. So what I say. Na ya bomb modern. Na pick a number. Your app. Na ya pick a number no. Na ya use app no. It gives us everything. And you used to know me and Sunday. I'm a man for Swajatu. And cast there, apart from 2-3 people there, they are yet to come and sit down with us. When you say, "Oh, more magic cars, I am making contact in an answer." I'm about more than by us way.
Cars, no, year ben or Moji cars, no.
But a be a 2020, a be a 2022, a be a 2023, and a Moji Maslock cars and Casa. Yes.
And they haven't paid.
They haven't paid, but some of them are making very good payment. Yes, okay. And some of them. We've been moved here. We've been moved here. Be I promise be so a chassis here. Be a normal payment and a month and a BDA be 20,000
and they
BDA. Yes, a BDA 1,700 a month. A BDA friend said 1,800 and something. And they have agreed to pay I know more science inside and krata. And you know one thing I mama ne ye ma me be the elom ye me de. Sankrofoni nyina no. O si yensa mo. Are you getting it? I don't know. And he invite nipa no. Na man another payment your friends a plan na untua. Na de also untua no. Only come and impound the car. Na ya ton. Ye be washing car no. Ye washing we are. The account so no so now you have to come and pay
because depreciation.
Exactly. And it's a pepe night here. Cars and so they all tricycles abobo ye nyina they all.
Then how challenging and our office no
very challenging. Very very challenging, and I will do my best. Trust me, I will do my best. Very very challenging. And then I make I say the young guy over there. The method no you run no war your friend is BBN no. In fact, to me enemy engagement that's my personal assessment. The way I no handle them according to no ways and whatever no was okay. A very very challenging friend office. Na me anyo adom kra because we change DC kra.
You'll be stepping toes and all that.
And the is one step toes so.
How ready are you?
I am very ready. But my only worry has to do with some penuphobia. They are trying to intend to shift some kind of blame, responsibility. I get it. See, I have a power idea. You know, or your friend is saying, Maslock, into a pebosia. So therefore, Yami Anyadoma, the guys who say, Yami Anyadoma. Na obia or campaign say me ba me boamo me ye say you know the person is trying to run away from that particular responsibility. Na kwa say so obana when to me ama obosia there is somebody somewhere that is supposed to be blamed. That is my only worry for now in my party. But apart from that, we have 9 constituencies. Sika Beba, my regional chairman, my regional minister, constituency friend say chairman Funyina, I'll make it known to them. Yebechiche said the West will be ansaka. Groups no and na yebebo modi credit officers no is going to be very visible. Obi abehu. Yeah, the more monswa mo ye juma sebe because on say sika de e corner ba on say na ye
per experience you don't want to be mentioned somewhere tomorrow.
Exactly. Inti my office is very challenging and my leader yes you know so on suni young girl at her age I John Dramani Mahama DBB say amano nti MPs ni bi ni ade anya ana yenko maslock yenko hwan ne ho Abigail oba region nyina ho was Isaiah MPC nyina na se bi DCC nyina yenko hwan ho so very challenging but we'll do it
but I hope the opportunities and so exist.
Oh, you see, opportunity there. When you get one, you create the next one. And yes, I know. Sisi ya nyami adomote fidi kesi. The next thing you are doing for yourself is to do a good job, so that at least say person obey mambo hana say if there is any other better opportunity, your experience over here takes you there. And for that, I know I have my personal experiences. As young guy, but I don't think they know Rebecca has is here. But question way a very good question for me to also go and think about it. But I know it's a very challenging office. That one for sure. I know. By a so. Oh yes. Hi. Now when so many movie album say Yami Adum July August. And nyame be adoma ma ya hye nwumadi ase timi no kasa
bebi so brebe na be fru nwumadi ase.
Oh yes, me see oba ha no o ma obi ate na unim one important achievement ya bo modern dey aba. On say when you have district offices wo operate here on say bo ama okay be sa ni ma we nyina ho ana me boa nti see ya no me ba ya na me de 4 proposals menim penny for dwen ho na ye de call ye maami ho agimi nu atum ti se adwabo so na me adum omo wo district maslock office.
Okay.
Bosomi ewu ya the next year no ye be operate ho na thanks to the DC over there Ira Alexander Aduquist, very fantastic guy.
Okay.
Ya wie bibia ya koho ya ye bibia wi e na be ba ko so ko bibia ni. Bibia ni so MC eye Ira Sebastian ono so abon ho moden. Na de me kamera ko sinyina eye Ira kwabena minta akando.
All right.
In fact, he will be a higher team in Accra. Is the brain behind some of us in this big portfolio. That's a fact.
Yeah.
And maybe I made Mecca. He played about 90% role, and I use Sam Jerome. So they 10 year then account. So once we are here, we should know something for being so nearby. Until may yet in goose any panel. Animase ne bia kwa akoka John Dramani Mahama nti ye the 2 districts aba ye hwese ye de other 2 se nyame ya dom na recoveries ne niema no ekoyia we are thinking of awuah and bia nse bia east and west ye boso anti we are thinking of something like that ye mpanifo nya approve ya na chese na ye de ko nti dwaboso de say ye be serve body for now. So mo bempah mo kwan so ye. If you want to come to Dwabosu to assess or to inquire, on say very easier than traveling to your sunti. Mina yuguswa. Yeah for me there. Na ya toto enema. Ntina de eteno.
Mesega. Oh, question baby sir before I go on to the phone lines. Na ebia etie phone so e question baby sir. Then we move on from there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe sir, as I say, he made mention of say mo be for districts. I can region there no. And I watch there me ahood will be a mo be district. No, say be a bit me 7 for no. And currently say you also money district for just a region pay.
yo so I would say once ye war regional sinohan ama aye a bit difficult kakra so what I say. But of course MC not push it to the point to say see you cry man go ahead so more than on pay office. I would say these approvals comes from a friend is a top. Okay. But some of us we are looking at accessibility, how people can access the facility because you also na oba de mrana woni aba be din koma. I don't see it to be very challenging than obi owo awia. Okay. Or the oba. So that is my understanding. And that is the reality so. Now it be individual does say war man say 9 constituencies. For now nya de say e beti me aye 9 nyina kakra say buy ya within 4 months the 2 ide aba adwuma na ekoso na so don e bia des ni nyina beti me but be bia aye very challenging pa ne me a me bobo so yi say anwe onzo mo free ho if you ever dwabo so kra say kwan no ewa na biafo onso mo free ho e ba ha no e kwan no so wa so we are thinking say e ho na ha but you also there munya so amema na nyonwa because minim the MC no so oh yeah the kind of course and they propose as or thereby we can't just say certain things here but creation of district is not from the regional manager. It is from there but probably we make input as you say where but just what I say
but quick one you made mention say secretary baby as in August Obama regional chairman and constituency chairman munyina ya
regional minister
match amom na me pese me hu say the kind of money na mo ba be che Ghana for na mo cha mo ma na say mo chairman party ma
no me can adwuma no but o say adwuma no sisi ya no I was say about modern and say look at regional minister for instance the year you know na dey go akosum no so I say and to be about region will be supposed to be aware. Honestly, there are certain things I'm not even supposed to even say it on air regarding how much that comes. But for transparency's sake, any day ever be huntino. What I can say regional minister or na what day ebia to say the ever be hun ebia be 200,000 they call and then busy as akoma a man for so many juma and he's not going to be aware.
Okay.
She say odrabo kwabra minta kando abandi sikaba what they call command and crop for so many juma and you don't want to let him be aware including all the other MPs and even the constituency chairman telling them that does not mean say they are going to control or whatever but we want them to feel say resetting agenda no saying it here chairman wadaruma yeah they saying about constituency with this group that so oh my yes me na me peti abantina wa fa we won't do that
okay nti me da so akrobo na me pese me hu
sure
siska no Ghana for sika nti ye de bre Ghana for
oh yes
I know say there party money be
I was a party buyer Ghana ni
exactly
and our office I went so enye NDC office what I say a Ghana for a public office so what I say a Ghana for any no more the ebedidwa tons and mambubo dinina it's not about NDC it's not about NPP what group ambe for me a boy near Jessica the back near the amount for fraud that's it
group or be qualify
exactly
my willing says you cannot be jumbi tua
yes
exactly or my Jessica
exactly
or my family
exactly
na say the best kaya so ko jena say one tua better than do the actually so nya
that's the problem exactly oh w anya sa agro no deal e na owo the business bia say you sika ye kan enu nya bia nko otimi employ nkrofo
oh yes
ana ndisa
papa be ba akokra say
yes nko ye bi so metie ya da na make say me small private school so what I say anti metua amanfoka ndi so obi azabi wono so say e bia venture into and can say more ye printing ya the printing press and no aboa no abi ma there a number of crowd by day obeform hwe omo so omo ba be sa youth na greek no ne ade abra ne ne ma ugusu o ya opelon e de abiem what do ani akwa ho ye pese ye bo amamfo a omaye ready enye wa na de ma group no eye kama ne say ye group ne ye bibia am say ya na ekọ nkan pa the individuals ne they say we do business certificate but group ne de mo kan bom say ne ye de bia mponche na sebi o mpanifo ni ma ye ye nipa mako bi 20 ye pisika se de de aye de ahyase ya ba behwe ampa mo buo ne mo ne ma na ye de sika na mamo ye de ye pa no tonfo ye de ye dodo ye sei nti ampampo mo ton pa no om pisika abia
I expanded
onto de mo na ho hia omo a meti a mebubo di group names no onse dru man so me se we wadi ne we once dey ahwe you give money to certain people a minima won so nim the money will come but the command microphobia na dwen say ono nko na se be we adwuma ebi nsi da some of you even work
edi amanfo agisika wo mo enkotuai amanfo agi hair dryers wo mo enkonkotuai ebi mo so agege cars buses wo mo enkonkotuai
ababa ya so ka ho
and the saloon cars
yes